BEMICRON wants to be the company who totally supplies everything to control contamination.
The vision of BEMICRON is to be innovative for the future.
BEMICRON offers two things: a complete range of cleanroom garments, specific cleanroom garments. On the other hand, we have also the decontamination units. We started with the standard BEMICRON coverall, which is a cleanroom garment in one-piece integrated hood. Nowadays, the complete range has been evolved already in all types or all kind of garments that are available for all needs. BEMICRON offer more than the garment, that's the decontamination units.
Nowadays, in the markets we service, obviously pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, medical device, there is a very strong reason to go forward with bringing the intelligence of having and running cleanroom laundry systems towards the end users as an alternative to going to third-party commercial suppliers.
There are different added values. The idea of the decontamination unit is to implement that on the production side. But with this decontamination unit, BEMICRON offers its know-how to the end user.
We are a company who enables end users to fully operate a clean room without all the knowledge, all the intelligence and all the necessary systems themselves to do that.
Years by years, we create new products, new solutions. We achieve to be different and to be unique. We create so much innovation in this field of cleanroom decontamination control that we had to go further, to go everywhere, to go for everyone, to give a solution that fits for everybody.